And our plum lessons are 1 for our daily verse. We are now at Exodus chapter 37 in verse 1 of the verse 9. Bezalel built a chest of acacia wood 100 centimeters long, 66 centimeters wide, and 66 centimeters high. He covered it inside and out with pure gold and put a gold edge around the top. He made 4 gold rings and fastened one of them to each of the 4 legs of the chest. Then he made 2 poles of acacia wood, covered them with gold, and put them through the rings so the chest could be carried by the poles. The entire lid of the chest, which was also covered with pure gold, was the place of mercy. On each of the 2 ends of the chest, he made a winged creature of hammered gold. They faced each other, and their wings covered the place of mercy. So in this passage, Bezalel is making the Ark of the Covenant. You see, the design is specific and even the measurement is specific. It is a direct instruction from God. Other religion might think that the Ark of the Covenant is an idol, but no, it's not. Because the purpose of that Ark of the Covenant is, it is where the tablets that contains the Ten Commandments were inside of it. So it is. We must understand that yes, indeed, the one that create the Ark of the Covenant is Bezalel, but the one who do the tablet that contains the Ten Commandments is the Lord. See? That's why the purpose of the Ark of the Covenant is for safekeeping. It is not an idol, okay?